Hello, I've made a web viewer for my LLM mind map creator that I showed earlier. So it works in a very similar manner. You can search for whatever, so I'll search for how does a car work, and then submit, and then it will create the mind map. And so first, as before, it goes to the Exa search, and then it uses that to gain insights from the web, and then it feeds that into Command+, the model from Cohere, to make the actual concept of the graph, and then it uses Cytoscope to actually create the mind map. And so as you can see, we have different parts of the car, and then there's some connections here between like the engine and the ignition system, cooling system and engine, as to what they do. And so you can just use this for a variety of things. You can use this for, as we've seen here, just a quick overview of a concept that you don't understand a lot about, or you can go a little bit more in depth, right? So you can do like a technical overview of op amps, and then it's going to do the go through the pipeline again. So the Exa search into the Command+, into the Cytoscope view, and so it's going to come back with a technical overview of how op amps work, what they do, and stuff like that. Just whatever the model thinks is useful to understand about op amps from the data that Exa's web search has provided it. And so it's going to go, it's going to bring it up, and so while we're waiting, we can see that the we're not here. And so as you can see, it's made like two general sections on the technical overview. And so stuff like input offset voltage, common mode, rejection ratio, or PSOR, and whatnot. And so it has a nice little description on each individual thing, as well as more details on the connections between them as well when you hover over the edge. And so this is a really nice way to understand how stuff works, and as you hover over them, you can kind of better understand. So you can either get the very large view here, like with this, or you can go more in depth and hover over it to get more details. And one thing I found that you actually use this for is to generate learning plans. So let's assume you want to become a web developer. You can ask it for a learning path to learn web development, and then you can submit, and it's going to generate the learning path. And then sometimes when I've tried it, it makes a little bit more of a branching learning path where it also includes some ancillary technologies that are helpful. This time it looks like it's made one general learning path or concepts that are all connected to each other. So you have the HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and you can have some more frameworks, libraries, but you also have it lead to web design, and including stuff like responsive design, SEO, analytics, security, and then there's also some more infra side stuff like hosting and DNS and whatnot also over here. And so it's able to generate really nice pathways for learning as well. And that's about it for this video. Thank you for watching. If you want to see more, like and subscribe, and see you guys later.